Instagram followers flagged for UV meaning and how to remove it. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the quick way about the Instagram followers flagged for review meaning and how to remove it. So do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech and tips videos. So, about the Instagram followers flagged for review means when Instagram flags a follower for review, it typically means that Instagram's automated systems have identified some form of suspicious or non complaint behavior from that account. This is part of Instagram's efforts to combat spam, fake accounts, or accounts that violates their guidelines. So, in order to remove flagged followers, you have to hop into Instagram, open Instagram, make sure to log into your particular account, tap profile at bottom right corner of the screen, and on this profile feed, select the followers. So, you have to find the flag for review notifications on this followers list. Since I don't have any, if you have any, you have to tap on it to remove flag followers either all at once or one by tapping remove next to each account. To mark an account as not spam, you need to tap the three dots next to it, select not spam or irrelevant, and then confirm by tapping removing. So, in this way, you can easily remove flagged followers. If you want to adjust flagging settings, you can go to profile and access the followers in this way. Turn off the flagged for review feature if desired, and you can turn it back on any time you like. So, this is how we can remove flagged followers on our Instagram. I hope this video worked and you got the information well. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.